I'm Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach. Today, I'm going to teach you 3 ways to make your lungs strong while exercising from home during quarantine. So, tip number 1, incorporate some form of cardio into your workouts to strengthen up your lungs. I'm using a treadmill, but there are many different types of machines that you can use. Stationary bike, an elliptical, a rower. So there's many different types. The thing is, when you get on the treadmill, you want to make sure that you use a program and don't hit quick start, because you want to be able to track your progress over a period of time. One of the best programs that you can use would be an interval program in which the inclination is going up and down, up and down. That will bring your heart rate up, and it will bring it down a little bit for you to catch your breath, and then it'll go back up. So the benefits of that, 1, it will make your lungs stronger. It keeps you into what we call a fat burning zone. Your body is burning fat and not muscle. And also, when you breathe, your breathing should be nice and under control, breathing through your nose and out through your mouth. Try not to hold on to the machine. If you do so, it slows down your heart rate. You want to do cardio at least 3-4 times a week, at least 20 to 30 minutes per workout. Gradually increase that time, the duration, over a period of time as you're working out and being more consistent with your workout. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Tip number 2 to making your lungs strong while exercising from home during quarantine is to incorporate some form of technology into your workouts. So what I have on today, the Myzone MZ3 belt. So this belt is awesome because it tracks all the calories that I've burned during my workouts. It also shows my resting heart rate. It makes sure that I'm always in my target heart rate zone, thereby I'm burning more fat and also making my lungs stronger. You get points based on the effort that you put into all your workouts. The Myzone MZ3 belt is a great tool to making your lungs strong. Also, it's a motivational piece and it holds you accountable. So if you wish to obtain your Myzone MZ3 belt, just click on the link below to obtain it. So tip number 3 to improve your lungs while exercising from home during quarantine is to involve some form of strength training during your workouts. So today I'm going to show you how to do a basic push-up. There's different variations depending on each person's fitness level. So one of the basic ways in which you can do a push-up would be on your knees, and then with your hips aligned with your back, you go down towards the floor and you push up, exhaling as you come up. The more advanced level would be to be on your toes and to push up the same way, making sure that you control your breathing and contracting your abs while you do 3 sets of 10. So, another way to improve your lungs and make them stronger while exercising from home during quarantine is to do 3 sets of push-up daily. Okay, so those are 3 ways in which you can make your lungs strong while exercising from home during quarantine. So 1, you want to make sure that you involve some form of cardio while exercising from home. You can use a treadmill, you can use an elliptical, you can use a stationary bike. It really doesn't matter. The second component would be to incorporate some form of technology into your workouts. One such, the Myzone MZ3 belt, it tracks your heart rate. It also tracks the amount of calories that you burn. It makes sure that you stay within your target heart range. And also you get points based on the amount of effort that you put inside your workout. So it's a great tool as far as motivation and accountability. The third component would be to involve some form of strength training always when you exercise. One such is a push-up. You can do different variations depending on your fitness level. You can do a modified push-up, or you can do a straight leg push-up. Now, I recommend that you start out with at least 3 sets of 10 on a daily basis. So those are the 3 ways in which you can make your lungs stronger while exercising from home during quarantine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, share it, make comments below. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel.